setup is stupid. Look at all these fights, bro. These are art. This is art, bro. Right?
I left my phone in my car. Fucking vipers and shit, bro.
JoJo Car is back with another video. Does that camera quality look different? Cause we got a new camera. Let me take this down. I was comfortable at home. I'm trying to see where the fuck is the object that we're putting on today. Let's see in this messy shit. Here we go. Here we go. It's right here. You guys see this? The tail as turned by Diode Dynamics. Let's put this right there. Here. Let's do this. We're gonna step in the car. Step back real quick. Oh, this mug looks clean. Anyways, we're gonna step in like so. And then you guys see the Infiniti lights that we installed. If you didn't check that video out, make sure you check that video out. But we in this bitch. Hazards. You guys see that? Alright, boom. Let's get it. Alright, you remember in my hate video, if you guys have not seen my hate video, make sure you go check out that hate video. It should be a couple videos. I talked about this. So this should change this. So that's gonna be awesome. That's gonna be awesome. Okay, you guys ready for that? You guys ready for this? Okay, it's basically a plug and play. From what I've heard, let's see this. From what I've heard, it's basically a plug. You guys see the scooter that I found and everything? That's funny. All right, you have to go back here or something. Like I'm literally, and I think you have to just plug it in between this thingy. So yeah, here I'm gonna do it real quick. And I'll be right back. I guess I'll put like a little time lapse of me like messing with it and opening the box and stuff. So stay tuned. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, so I'm clipping it. Struggling to do this with one hand. But I think I just got it. Alright. Now think everything, that's all you need. So that simple. I hope I didn't fuck it up. And there we go. It's that simple. Literally, it's that simple. I don't know why fucking Infiniti didn't just do that in the first place, but it's that simple to get it like that. Yeah. Excited me. I don't know why I didn't just flip the camera, but excited me. I'm excited. I'm excited about this. Very excited. Look at it. Look at this. Let's just check it out again. Look at this. Boom. Versus this. Which one would you rather have? Huh? I'm trying to show both. Yeah, there we go. So which one would you rather have? I definitely like this side. I definitely like this side better. Yes, sir. So, yeah, that's a cool little feature. So you gotta pay $50 just to get that done. I kind of like, yeah, I definitely like that side better. So this is the Diode Dynamics or whatever. I don't know what it's called, but it's the tail ass turn. You could literally get this shit off Amazon for $50. I guess I'm gonna finish putting it in and call it a day, but here's the product right here. So yeah, I mean, here I'm gonna put this one in. It's basically, I don't know, you guys kind of see me clip the other one in. You literally just take it out and clip it in, and you feel me? You see all the stuff is right there. I'm just gonna, fold this back or whatever, however that was. I'm pretty sure it was like that. He's gonna tuck it under something. Yeah, there you go. Done. Yeah, done. That's it. Alright, I'm about to do the other side and be back. Hold on. Alright, so I got it done. It's all in there, tucked up, whatever. Boom. This is like the easiest thing ever. Turn that on again. Close that. One. And two. That's just nasty. And then you close the trunk. Boom. That's just nasty. But I guess that was a quick video. I told you guys I'm trying to get you guys quick videos now. You guys see it blinking away. I hope you guys fucking with the new camera. We got the new camera equipment. Boom, and do not forget, we do have the exhaust giveaway. So if you do want a G37 or G35 exhaust, if you have a G35 or G37 and want this exhaust, you gotta get me to 3,000 subscribers first. Duh. So you must subscribe and you must follow the gram to even be part of the thing. So if once I get to 3,000 subscribers, I could drop details. I'm so close. I'm like 120 away. So it shouldn't be too hard. It shouldn't be too hard to get me to 3K. So once I get to 3K, I'll drop details about the exhaust giveaway. Make sure you guys follow Vandalize G on Instagram. I really got nothing left to say. It's just clean. Nah, I can't wait to be in the streets with this shit. This is clean. But there's really nothing left to say. JoJo out.